brought in today. Can't get any fresher than that. You don't wanna. Woo!
Hey, no man. Still cooking, man.
Oh shit!
Got a lot of work to do, man.
Oh.
Try these, man.
Oh.
Oh, it's a secret skill.
Oh, listen to that. Oh. Oh yeah. Oh, thank you. Came out of nowhere. Hola. Whakalo whātu makau. Bloody windy. I'm in Port England, trying to get a spot where I don't get no wind. It's windy, but I'm hiding behind this power box. Yep, back to the story. Here for Hugo's haircutting song practice. Lolongo liu whakamanatu. Singing practice, dance practice. Here at Hapalima. The haircuttings this Saturday, our whaiumu, and I think we've only had, this is our second practice. First practice was last week and the second one today. Me, Hayden and David were practicing at our netball game, but wasn't really our practice, just a bit of a run through. But yeah, just waiting for the bro. Ko tau kese hako, ko haki pea. Tau ma haki pea ke hifi ule a whaiumu. Yep, my older bro Christian, his son's having the hair cutting. So in Niue they have the massive ngalue whawhau. You know, the one that, I don't know if you've seen the pule whakamotu video. They got that wooden frame with all those taros tied up on it, and the corned beef and the chickens, you know, on the bottom. Well, the hifi ule in Niue, I think is like at least twice as big as that. The amount of food they put on, all the taros are way bigger. But in New Zealand, nah, just get the caterer and the hall and bang, easy. People come and give money if they want to, put money on people dancing if they want to, but it's all more what you want. You hear stories like if you give someone $100 for their gift, you expect it back on the next person's haircutting. So for example, if I give Hugo 200 for his haircutting, it's expected that I get 200 back on our next occasion, eh? But that's what you hear. But I think these days is just give what you can. Tough times these days, inflation, recession. So I guess showing up is good, eh? But don't just get ita when your gift is given back to you, eh? But all good. I'm just gonna go chill in the car. Might go for a walk while I wait. Okay, to Philadelphia. Yep.
Okay. Oh, good practice, man. It's awesome. I like the practice, man. Just wearing shirts, wearing shirts. Making lights. The sense is still first, but yeah. Yep.
Whakaolahi. Si, monuni awhiawhi. Okay, Dave. Koi. Whakaolo whātu makau, aho nei huwhiolua Hugo.
Yeah. The hit work.
Yeah. O mai tuai a mautolo ke maopo e tau mena. Sub team with Hugo's hair cutting today, just with the bro Hayden and David. Hey, she. Hayden's just gone to get some stuff. I'm just watching the stuff so it doesn't get taken. Dave, better go follow your dad. We'll catch up and we'll get you on camera. Eh? Let's see what's hiding in here. Yo. Yeah. So we're at the Ellerslie War Memorial. We're just setting up. Ko hola valu e tula. Skamata hola hongafulu. So we've got ua tula ke tause. Got Liam here. Liam setting up. Niue's whakawhatu. Malona kai.
Alo whakau.
Ike ha koe.
Taking the chili pin with you.
Yeah. Oh, well. Let's see how muscly these guys are. Niue champs. This is Liam and Hector. That's Hugo's older brother, Hector. Oh, too easy, too easy. Oh, too easy. So they're taking all those full of goodies. Yep, so now we've got to set it up. Hayden. Mi taki. Ei whai mena ke tau se. Whanau ke ono e tau ceiling, bro. Yeah. Oh, got the JBL. It's got the rollers on it. Oh, nice. Yep, just setting up. It's good to have siblings to help. Yep, this is Dave. Malona kai, Dave.
Oh, poni.
Yep.
Whakakoe.
Wait, homo. Ooh, got some goodies. Just watch the car. I think I can carry the. Yep. So yeah, all exciting. We'll walk it in. I'll carry this. Yeah. And this. Oh, you.
Yeah. If you could take that.
Yeah. Going in. Come on, Dave. Eee. Got a lot of waters here. Inuvai, Nupovai. We're on a Saturday morning, Awhaiumu, 8 o'clock in the morning. Just going in, just the boys here, and Nana setting up. Lots of teenage hands here. So we'll see. Oh, we got the oysters. We got a puaka on the way. Hopefully it comes cooked perfectly. This is us inside. O mai tu waia mo tolo ke tause tau ia pili. Oia. Huia. Here's the champion here. 70 years old and helping out. Oh, kofe.
All for Hugo.
Oh, for Hugo.
All for Hugo.
Putting in the work. Just setting up all these chairs. Look at all these chairs. Here's another one. Another one we're putting up. Got the all from Niue. Nice. Yeah, setting it up. Got Liam, everyone. Got David with his Niue top on.
Yep.
Homolahi e tāpulu hao. And we'll go check what's inside the chili pani. And that's it. Just to wait and see. Sila. Ya, sisil. Yuk. Yep, setting it up. Back to Hafangi at the oysters again. I learned learning, so I'm here on oyster duties. All I need is a knife and a little area to shuck. It's called shucking. Here's some coffee. Ooh, manongi.
I'll get the knife.
The talo leaves. Setting it up. Oh, here's the oysters here. Oh, nice. Oh, excellent. Look at that. Shee! Black shag. So yeah, the oysters are coming. And yeah, that's my job for today. Oh, look at this. Wow, gloves even and knives. I should be able to do 110 minutes. Yeah, so this is where we are. I might even just come a bit late. I can be in a little bit later. 10:30 should be alright, eh? Because if I'm gonna stay and help out a bit.
Start at 10:30.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I told the missus, hey, be ready by 9:30, but looks like be ready by 10. So all good. I'll leave here at about quarter to 10. Alright. Alright, here we are, a few moments later. Just stacking it up now. The goodies, these were caught yesterday. Bought in today. Can't get any fresher than that. I can see how clever my brother is. He's got the salt ice. I just got normal ice from the liquor store, but this one's proper salt ice. Tastes better when it melts. Yeah, we got some. What's this going on there, Tausi?
Oi, heli do onion, you get more the prawns, more mussels.
Woo!
So we're looking good. We're looking good, chat. Hope everyone's having a good Saturday. Been really fun hair cutting, so.
Alright, Itaki.
Taki.
We got a big Eddie. Eddie.
Hey,
Galvato.
just checking the structural integrity of this window here. Just making sure it's enough for the the passing of the food. Is this for Master Hugo, is it? Oh. Hugo, I still remember the time you shot me in the back at paintball, so just remember today, yeah, you're in front of everybody, so I might pull your pants down, just bring things up to an even part. No, happy birthday to Mania, and God bless to you, brother, and look forward to, obviously, your hair cutting.
Yeah.
Very special passage between the Pacific Islands, so you know you carry the honour with your family, and good luck to your future, and to your parents who brought you into this world. You know, kudos to them. Hopefully you've learnt a lot of things through our time together. Always stay at the back of everybody, like you have been doing, before you shoot them in the back here. Yeah, from my family to yours, love you, and blessings, and yeah, God praises. Alright, awesome.
Whako Eddie. Yo, that's Christian's business partner. Good friend, eh? Whako it.
Hey?
Yep, oh yep.
Do you know how to chop oysters? Oh, hey!
Not in a timely manner. For self-service. You want it presented well, eh?
We just gotta chuck it in the box. Oh, yeah.
So yep, okay, I better turn this off. Alright. Here's the newest best touch player. How is it? Alright, we'll see you in there, eh? Okay, quick here. Oh, can see the steam coming off. Oh, that's alright, we don't wanna. Woo! Itaki. Oh, puha. Okay, whakalwhatko. Monuini a whanau, Hugo. Hope you have a great birthday. Yeah, go around. And we'll see. Tau tangata, whaikupu kia Hugo. Oh, lawe. Oh, homo e kai. Totahi mataki. If you need help, I can swap in. Oh yeah.
Happy birthday, Hugo, and happy hair cutting.
Whakoelani Christopher. Juliana. This is Juliana.
Happy birthday.
Whakoelani. Whakoe. Ari. Whaikupu for Hugo.
Monuini ako whana. Happy birthday. Happy really good birthday, and thank you for being an amazing cousin. Happy birthday. Thank you for being a good cousin.
Whakoe.
Oh, kupu.
Vai kupu.
Hey, whara atu mau kau. Have a hair cutting here. Listen to your parents. Cushion. Have an awesome day. Cushion in-sea plus. Follow it. Stay safe. God bless you. Have a good day, mate. Listen to your parents. Just what's to do, mine, so alright.
Shee. Lily, whakoi tei. Happy birthday. Yeah. Okay. Happy birthday from the aunties. Philippa, any words for YouTube?
Just happy hair cutting. Thank you, Uncle John, for again.
Whakoi. Brother, need a few words for Hugo's birthday. Hair cutting.
Is it today? No, not his birthday is coming up, but happy birthday
And happy hair cutting. Thank you.
Whakoi.
And also Hugo, I'm so glad we now are not going to have any more dreads.
One big dread.
That is correct.
Yeah.
Regular hair cutting it is for you now.
Brother, what's your name? What's your name? Huh?
Anchor.
Edgar.
Yeah.
Edgar. Whakoi. Whakoi. Happy birthday wishes. Whakoi. Whakoi. Whakoi lahi. Pai kupu, auntie. Pai kupu. Pai.
Mune aho hi piuru.
Whakoi. Whakoi, auntie. Atu. Any words for Hugo?
Oh yeah, happy hair, congratulations. You're gonna lose your hair, which is kind of sad, because I've been growing it out for like 10 years now. It's been good having your hair out. Yeah, God bless.
Whakoi lahi. Pai kupu. Pai kupu.
Vai kupu. Vai kupu batuai whakamoa. We'll keep it English today. Hello everyone. We're here today for a special occasion. Hugo's hair cutting. Just want to wish him all the very best for today and his future. And God bless you, mate. Good on you.
Whakoi lahi. Whakoi lahi.
Congratulations, Hugo. I know it's hard to look after a long hair, but you've come a long way. So, good luck and hopefully have a good day.
Whakoi lahi kas.
You're gonna make the world see the better picture. Nobody has said, Mama.
Pai kupu.
Oh, sorry. Hi Hugo, we're here to celebrate your hair cutting today, so Maluina e hifi hao.
Whakoi. Whakoi. Here's the man. Catch him while the music's off. Hugo, any words?
Just celebrate my hair cutting, just want to get this hair off.
Whakoi lahi. Yeah.
Positivity's key. Yep.
Whakoi. Whakoi.
John. We are here for my grandson Hugo's hair cutting. There's a lot of us here. It's a great day. God is good. Thank you, Hugo, for the invitation. God bless you always, eh? You know you have a lot of cousins. So you've got a lot of cousins. 20 cousins altogether, 18? Okay? You're not alone. Okay?
Miss. is 10:52. So yeah, island time.
Island time. What?
Island time. Oh,
Full force.
Uncle Hayden. Haven't got Uncle Hayden on this. We've gone from inside.
James ran away from inside.
Oh.
Hello, hello, hello.
Oh yeah.
Mr. Drew. Have a long time.
So pregnant. So pregnant. Pregnant. I'm not due till the 10th of January, but they're going to introduce me at 38 weeks. So the week of
Hugo's auntie, Belinda, and Uncle Hayden, but they're busy. All good.
These hot days must be.
I finished work on Thursday, and Thursday was a very
People
hot day.
shy of the camera.
Good riddance. I'm out of this place. Goodbye, hospital.
Hello, auntie.
Oh.
Good to see you.
Yeah, nice to see you, fellas.
See you.
Are we doing boys? Hello, David. Look how tall you are. Good.
Yeah.
Hello. Hi.
Hey, auntie. Yeah. Gee.
Come in. Hey, come on. Come. That's David, yeah.
I know.
He's taller than me now.
He was a little when we went to the bar. Remember somebody else's birthday
Another
was
birthday.
having. That was yours, eh? You know that bar.
That was mine.
And his
Dunkirk.
Yeah, that was
Was it his
him.
birthday?
Oh, that was his birthday, isn't it? Yes.
Well, he's getting big now.
Oh my gosh.
All the boys. Hector,
I know.
David,
Yeah.
Liam.
Yeah.
I like that. Okay, then I see
Yes,
you fellas.
Quick words for Hugo. Quick words for Hugo.
Oh my gosh, Hugo. I don't know what to say.
He's saving you for the
Because,
speech.
Yeah, see, every day. Hugo, you must be a good boy to everybody else, respect, and you have to listen to mom and dad, or your grandfather, your grandmother, or your aunties and uncles, and all your cousins. Make sure no chicky. All right? You know what granny say? You have to respect the people, any people, right? Like us. So, congratulations for you today. This is your granny. Bye bye. Have a nice day.
Go ahead.
Okay.
And Uncle Hayden.
Hey, whakalawhai atu. Talofa lava, happy birthday and hifi ulu, Hugo. Wishing you all the best. Keep being awesome and yeah, it's a great occasion to come celebrate your hifi ulu. And I hope you enjoy it. Hope you get lots of hipe, lots of money. So yeah, well done. It's been great watching you grow up. Looking forward to lots of good memories in the future. So yeah, from all of us, love you lots and have a great time. All the best.
Hello. Whai kupu. Whai. Oh yeah, hongi. O se kaisi, maeke. Kai. Oh, everyone's getting hungry. Yep. Once we eat, then we can speech. Alright.
So the Robin is from, who's Robin from? And the Hive is from fishermen that I used to know, and I was hoping that Hugo would be a fisherman. Masu is from the Samoa family, and then Eric is from Niue family. And so that is the name of Hugo, and Hugo is actually turning 11 in a few weeks' time, on the 18th. So I have to remember that, of December. And so Hugo is very happy today that he's been able to gather here with all of you to celebrate the haircutting of his your haircut being your special day. Yeah? Alright, just to kick it off, does everyone know what Pasipasi Mai means? Pasipasi Mai! And say, hey, look, let's celebrate. So Pasipasi Mai, so we'll say Pasipasi Mai.
Lolomo e doutor, lolomo, mitaki e tau nausi, tō iongi ke whamina e ako. Kau e mātua te tonu ke ako nei. Kau e ko mai ke matonu ke mataha mai, la ngā kina hako e uta ki anga e tau la uru ka Hugo Eric. A tua tu tonu, i waki atu tau nawa, mo e tu heki ke hawa tu tonu, ki runga ki a matoru osi. I o ni atu matoru ki a mataha mai hawa ngā tapu mo matoru, whakurina mai e aho, whakurina mai foki, e tau rausi mā tua tu tonu, whakurina ke lau tonu, me nā kai.
Oh.
That's some money. Isn't that cheap? That's some KFC, bro.
This is so exciting! Well, here guys, we've been ready for this for ages, and I'm so happy that we get to do it. We get to all be here together to celebrate. You're here cutting, and you're growing up. You're a big boy now. I know it's like every time we come back from America, he's grown so much. It's like he's not a little boy anymore. But I just wanted to say I'm so proud of you, Hugo. And the young man that you have become and that you're becoming, and I've seen him. I'm like, I guess the auntie that takes, the auntie that likes to say sort of the same things as I do. So I've got to see to game with him, to spend a lot of time with Hugo, and I just, you're awesome. And I'm so proud of you, and I'm excited to see what you become in the coming years. You've got cousins here, and today is the day to celebrate, but also thank you for remembering Hugo's Nana and uncle. Hugo, your Nana and uncle, will also be proud of being down with you. And they want you to grow strong, healthy, be toa Niue, toa Samoa, toa Fiji. Okay? Amen.
O Hugo e tama grandson he mo Mari e tana pea mo e Malufini o Filipa ho. O e wahi utumus ko hoku mai hapnai ke paori e luka ki hami ka uru nei. O tana mo hui manai he tau tamata Niue e moto Niue. Uta ke hana tau e tau whanata. Tupa kuru e mone tose si fuata, si whane high school, si hifi e totate i tau ki reina aiwhai ka celebrate. Union Mahamai, so hau Thank you very much for attending Hugo's gathering. This is one of the Niue most important position part of life for young boys. When they grow up, time to go to high school or what, they'll touch anything. Sometimes there's up to about 50, 60 pigs in one haircutting. And a strong family, big family. and out of the thousands of towels and they punch them all together. One arm was heavy when I was growing up in Niue. And that's about it. I wish everybody a happy day, enjoy yourselves, and
God bless you special with you, Hugo, today. Sorry we couldn't make it today, but trust it will be an awesome day for you.
Very good. Well, man, let's go here. I'd like to ask our next person.
It's been a long week, but I'm glad that it was a combined family effort, and you did a really good job staying through it. I'm also really looking forward to all the cool years now to do. I know that you guys acted up and it was very times, but doing an amazing job, and I just will keep it short and simple because we have all of our talks on it, but I just want to know how much I love you and that you truly are an amazing human being, and that as life has all its moments, ups and downs, and amazing things, that we're always here. And the last couple of years have been, you know, years, and you've been amazing all through it, and you're very gracious for the moments where maybe should have a friend should be really wrong, and I know that I don't have to listen. Yeah, and thank you. Peace.
I represent myself and also my partner Ryan today, who's just coming off night shift, so he was sad he can't be here. But he's all his love. Echoing much of what Mum said, you are such a cool person. As we've been going through Mum's things, we've been finding little pictures of me and Mum's earlier, and then Hugo are definitely twins with our lovely, cheeky smiles, and so much of the things that you do remind me of myself and my environment as well, so that's pretty funny. We know you're going to be the best big cousin to this little nugget when he comes along, and so we're very excited to give you another little cousin, and we love you very much, and we're always here.
Lucy, my name is Sandy, I'm Christian's oldest sister and one of Hugo's big aunties. So I'm here with my husband Peter, twins Christopher, Juliana, and oldest son Dylan. Sorry Hugo, Kirsten's at work today, but he sends his love. Okay, so I will keep it short and sweet. Hugo, wishing you all the very best on your very special day. Okay, you look very handsome. I'm not surprised because the same thing with Hugo, very handsome as well. So we love you, wish you all the best for the future, okay? Work hard, you've got 2 big families or more that love you so, so much. Alright? Okay, so yeah, we just want to wish you well.
Hello everyone, whakalofa here to Toki Osi. Ko i he tua te hana whanoa, as mea ke te tūru ki whakataha ke hea o whiawhiakai. Kua te whakalofa atu ke te tūru ka mamatua, mali mo Stephen, whakapea atu ke mua ki he whoki i na kua mamatua ko hoku mai te hao nei. Ko roflai atu whoki ke mga whaoaha whirupa, i o Nena, whakatu, talofa greetings and welcome to you all. Of course, this is Hugo's big day, so I think the only words we have to say to him is enjoy your day, mate. This is a milestone in your life and also your parents and your family. A celebration for all today. We wish you all the very best. May the big man above you always in your life and guide you always, mate. So God bless and all the best. Good old boy.
Thank you, Philippa, for the invitation. It's wonderful to see both sides of the family. Hugo, our message to you is just to say God bless you, and we are here always, wherever. And we're still at that old railway house. Across from St. Pius. So, yeah, you're always welcome. Just a few words. Hugo, you're a quiet, determined man, and we've always admired your love for us, because you always come and say hello no matter what, even though your face is looking like, but at least you go up to me, you kiss me, and you say, hi auntie. So I really thank you and appreciate you for that. I'm here with Dad, Elijah, Kaylani, and Isaac, who was watching you. Thank you, wow, you're amazing. And facing to regards, because she's doing her job as well. She's working today, so she's sincere apologies. But don't worry, she's put her donation in here for you. You're going to cut that, that's what matters always. Okay, so God bless, and thanks Christian. Wonderful to see all the family here together, and the cousins that are on their way, that are coming. Okay, thanks Christian.
Thank you.
And humble child, and I was so happy when he came and joined the recording at school. I can't remember if it was this year or last year, but what I do remember when he came is like everyone at school goes to me, Miss Eric or Mum or whatever, and then I hear this voice that says, Mama. And I ran around and I go, oh my gosh, yes you know? You want some oranges? There's no one in my class that said, of course you do. Whatever you want from my class you can take. But it was so good to have you at our school. All the kids love and miss you. You know, you've got a fantastic personality. You're sporty as well. And we hope to see you return. So thank you. Yeah, thank you, Hugo.
Thank goodness now for his here.
Thank you very much, Uma.
Thank you so much, Christian and Philippa and families for putting this together for our boy, Hugo. But today I'm not going to be finishing our speech. Atu nominated himself to speak to his cousin. So I'm going to hand it over to Atu.
Congratulations, Hugo. Congratulations, Hugo. Finally, your hair is gone. I'm gonna have to get used to it now. It's gonna look very good on you. God bless and have a very, very good day.
So, thank you. So I'll just add to that. Hugo and Atu have been working over this for years and years and years. And it finally happened last night. So now that the hair is cut, we expect you and Hector to be over more often, sleeping over with your old parents. So we look forward to that, and we look forward to celebrating with you guys today for Moira.
That was a true story, and last night we thought, well, let's get that sleepover. Let's get that sleepover sorted. There you go. So, very good. Very good, sir. Okay, next come up and thank you for seeing it up to Missy.
Hayden? No, it's me. No, it's me.
It's Uncle John.
Yeah.
Hugo, we just want to say we just very proud of you. Love hanging out with you, love seeing you, and looking forward to all the memories to come. David, we'll just do a good job.
Thank you for inviting us, Hugo. I'm sorry to make it to working, but yeah, I like it.
Hello.
Thank you very much.
And then go to Hugo. Love you always. Have a good rest of your life.
Hey, it's Hugo's turn. The fourth four boys. I am Tara for any of those. And I have been alongside Philippa and Christian, helping to bring our four boys up together since Hugo was born, since the older boys were born. And so we went through play centres together and all the different things, lived down the road, our place more often than not. So yeah, just best of luck, Hugo, for your future. We're going to be there for you all the time. I've been told that the money's half of it. I need to give you V-Bucks as well. So I promise you I will give you some Xbox money when I get home. Make sure I do that. You can hold me to it. And comms between you and Lani Tupu on the game. But on behalf of the whole Moana whānau, your little sister couldn't make it today. She was at a waka race, so I'm giving you the eye roll that she would normally give you. So yeah, so best of luck. We'll be here no matter what. So looking forward to you growing up and being an amazing person in the future. If you are.
My family, Rita, Auntie, and girls are the company. One's working on the second house. Yeah, you go. I see your home, and I'm proud of that. And this character is a combination of both families, the love that they provide with you. So keep on laughing up, a good way, we're proud of you. It's great to be here, watching Hugo over the years. It's been a privilege. Thanks to Christian and Philippa for the invite. Master Hugo, so for those that don't know, who here is 20 people? Who understands the concept of having, backing up your own team? While us the battlefield, doing cartwheels and flips. And trying to protect our base. And all we learned, this young man here was shooting us from behind. No teammates. No teammates, so I'll go from behind and I'll get from the back. Great to see you, Roland, and certainly coming to see what the future holds for you. So, really nice to hear it. Right, thank you.
It's the Waka. What's up, Clippy brother? Bro, you just come from the gym.
No, man. Still cooking, man.
Oh shit.
Got a lot of work to do, man.
Oh.
That's what I need, man.
Oh.
Yeah, go and have him still cooking all the way to tonight.
Shh.
Yeah.
Oh, sweet.
Yeah, underneath.
Oh, yeah, sweet. Hey. Oh, bro, gotta go back in, Clippy.
Yeah, that's it, man. I'll see you later. See you later. Good, man. Have a good one, mate. Take care, hey, have a good Christmas, man.
Okay, man. I'll see you around, eh?
Yo, see you, Clippy, brother. Thanks.
No worries, brother.
Oh,
Sheesh.
Put a hand over.
Man, that smells good.
Oh, it's a good size, man.
Yeah, not too big. Nice and succulent, the smaller ones, eh? Oh, well, I think this is the last speech before dinner, lunch.
Good timing, man.
Yeah.
It's weird, it's got the rip though.
What's that? Oh, bro. Yeah. Yo! Oh, that's sweet, eh?
I'll buy you a job. And you can dye your hair then. I don't eat pork, but I said she must have waka for Hugo. So this waka is lucky in Nagatonga and waka. So see? Nice,
Wow.
crunchy, less fat.
Yeah, aqua.
Less fat, crunchy.
Got Gus's famous curry, kohingo. Oh, this is enough, I'll get one. You're the master carver, eh?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Woo! Shit, you were taro. Wow. Oh, wow. We got the master carver here. I've seen Gus's skills. He knows what he does. He knows what he...
Oh, it's a secret skill.
Oh, listen to that. Oh, my. Listen to the crackle. Oh, yeah. Oh, my. Shucks.
Yeah, this is beautiful.
Oi. Wow. Oh yeah. First and James. Oh yeah. Oh, okay. Good on you, bro. Shucks.
Yeah, this is so soft, man.
Jeez.
Don't even need to cut it.
Man. Oh yeah. Are you sure you don't eat pork? Oh yeah. Where did this come from?
You're right, James. You have to
Came out of nowhere. Hola.
Man.
Oh, mitaki. Hey, that's a feast. Oh, the oysters are here too. Whoa! Yeah. Wow. Get in there, Flora. My, that's a feast and a half. Hopefully there's some left when I get in the line. But yeah. Ducky. Destroy it. Oh. Yeah. God, Hugo, you're looking handsome. Your dad's at the back, I think.
Everyone here is coming out to celebrate and enjoy this house. It's beautiful Saturday morning. Lunchtime.
Thank you everybody for coming, celebrating my hair cutting. I appreciate you coming here, hope you enjoy the food. Thank you John for cutting my hair, and thank you for celebrating my hair cutting and helping me.
Well done. Now we're going to hand the mic over.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Happy birthday, Hugo. Happy hair cutting as well. Your haircut looks great. I'm glad you cut your hair now. Like you said, it feels better now. Yeah, I hope you have a great day. Yeah.